of our new prototype of a KD2Lab mobile application. On our lock screen, we can see that the application has already sent us 2 new notifications. One notification says that an experiment has been scheduled in one of the time slots which we marked as available. The second notification says that results are available of an experiment in which we already participated in. But first, we want to unlock our home screen. On our home screen, we can see that the KD2Lab app is available here. First, we are going to the login page. We are able to register from here, or we are already registered. Then we can directly put in our email address, our password, and enable a remember me function. Now let's log in. Here we can see all the different components of the app in the menu. First, we will go to the general information about the KD2Lab. General information is provided on the first page with some selected picture on the bottom, some information about news, and about the team. The second component says experiments. On the one side, we can see the upcoming experiments in the top of the page and the experiments in which we already registered at the bottom. Now we want to register for an experiment. Here we can see all the possible time slots. We check the fourth one and register for that. It says you have already been successfully registered. Now we want to go back to register for more experiments, or we are able to invite a friend to the general pool of the KD2Lab. Now let's go back to the experiments. When we select Passed, we can see our finished experiments and results for the experiments. The results provide, for example, a reading sample or links which lead to general information about the experiments if it's possible for the KD2Lab to offer some information. Now let's go back to the menu. The next component says Events. Here we are able to see the next events of the KD2Lab, for example also the new event which is already selected in the marketing program of the DSD seminar. We are also able to see the past events. On the recommend component, we are able to send a link to the KD2Lab app via these sharing points and add a specific comment here. For every participant who registers after clicking on our link and participates in one of the experiments at the KD2Lab, it's possible to earn €1 or a 10% coupon at selected shops. The next component is the settings. In the settings, we are able to change our general information, which is shown here. We can say that we are a KIT member and add our study field and degree. We can also choose our availability dates, which means that the app will only push us notifications if we mark the time slot as available. We can do that for all the days of the week. On payout, we are able to set our payout method. Many different variations are provided. The last component is the feedback component. If we want to, we can send an individual feedback to the KD2Lab managers, additionally a star rating. When we are done with the application, we are able to log out.